everyone, Westy here. Okay, S3 Audi 2015. So this is the up to 2021, from 2015 to 2021, I believe. I just want to go through some of the challenges with removing the radiator that you'll need to know. There's not a lot of information on it. There's a brand new radiator here that I've got. There's actually 3 sets of clips that need to be removed at the different stages. So once you've actually got the vehicle, so if you watch all my other videos, I'll show you how to actually pull it all apart. But I just want to go through this specifically because it's actually quite tricky. So when you actually get to the stage, the first set of clips that you'll be taking off is the electric fans, which go onto here. So this is inside the engine bay here. And this is the front of the out the front of the vehicle here. So this is actually clipped into the housing, and you can't see any of this. Basically, you can just see the top hose and the bottom hose coming out, and obviously the fan electric fans all cover this area here. So there's a set of clips. I'll zoom in to release the set of clips for the fan units, electric fans themselves. You're going to have to basically, there's 2 clips, this one here and this one here. So there's 4 saddles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure if you can see this side or you can't see this side. Hang on, I'll slide it across a bit. There we go. Okay, so there's four saddles that the electric fan double fan units sit in. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and it's got a special set of clips, only 2 at the top, 1 on each side. So you'll notice that when you start moving, you can actually move the fans a little fraction. They will jiggle a little bit, but if you have a look at this clip, I'm not too sure if you can see that too good. Yeah, so that clip there, it actually folds in, and it's very, very tough plastic. So to get that out, you need to actually get a pair of, the easiest way I've found is to get a pair of pliers. If you can get in here, I can't remember whether I can actually get into this little part here, but get the pliers into the corner of that little wedge there and push the plastic hard in and pull up at the same time on the fan on that side, and it'll click out and make sure it stays up. And then the same thing with the other side. Failing that, you'll need to get a flat blade screwdriver and hold, like a big one, and hold pressure against that face, right pretty much in the center of that big square section there. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, let's show you again. So this piece here, that's the clip that there is the little ledge that the fan housings or locking mechanism is sitting in and latched in with. So you basically need to be applying upward pressure to pull the fans up, at the same time apply inwards pressure at the bottom of this, not the top, the bottom of this little clip here, and you have to apply a fair bit of pressure to get it to actually, so you'll actually feel it bottom out. And it takes a fair bit of pressure. Like I'm putting easily 10 to 15 pounds of pressure on that to actually hold it in, and once you get it in, then you can latch it up, and repeat the same for the back side, for the left hand side. And once you've got that, you'll be able to lift the fans out and put them up on top of the engine, or if you can get the plugs out, you can actually take the whole unit off. If you can't get the plugs out, which mine's got a broken, someone's broken the plug assembly, and I'll show you where that is just now. So there's a plug assembly here. Right here, this one. And you can see that the bottoms come away. Normally this will unplug. It actually sits into just in here, that little clip there, it sits into there on its side, and normally there's actually a red safety clip here that's actually disconnected, but it will not come apart, so it's fused together in some way for some reason, and the bottom plastic part's broken off, so I'll treat that. So that means I can't disconnect it without cutting the wires, unfortunately, unless I get brutal with it, which I'm not prepared to do. So it's going to stay there for now. So that's where the fans are sitting in this particular instance. So yeah, as you can see, everything is apart. I've got the whole intercooler assembly sitting out on about a 60-degree angle, 45 to 60-degree angle away from the vehicle, so I don't put too much strain on these air conditioning lines, and that way I don't have to recharge it. So yeah, so that's the first set of clips. We'll go into the second set of clips in a minute, so tune into that video shortly.